You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Yes, this is today's preparation for my next recipe creation here today. You can see I have some very nice slices of pork chops, on the cooking lab table, and all the other ingredients. To the right, I have rice, jasmine rice. Then I have assorted bell peppers. I have onions, and I have garlic, tomatoes, and scallion. And yes, I have some Chinese vegetable, otherwise known as Bok Choy. So this is what I'm cooking here today in my cooking lab. Alright, so these pork chops, I'm going to slice them up very thin. Yes. And saute them, and then put them down with the vegetable. And you will see this on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. I'm going to do these in very thin strips. I'm not going to fry them like that. Yes, I'm going to do them in very thin strips. This takes me back all the way, oh my God, so long ago in Kingston, Jamaica. Yes, but it wasn't pork, it was chicken with Bok Choy, cut up very thin. Yes. No colors today, no colors, natural. You're watching I Am Winston Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Yes, Chinese vegetable and pork chops. Well, it's no longer pork chops, it's pork strips with Chinese vegetable. That's the dish for today. With some rice, some jasmine rice. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, separate the leaves portion from the start. Yes, cook the start first because the start of the Chinese vegetable, has a lot of water, and they're a little bit harder to cook than the rest of the leaves. So yes, you're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube platform. So this is my preparation. This is all the ingredients that I will be working with here today in my cooking lab on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so now I'm going to head to the stove. I have the pork already, all stripped up, cut up, and all the seasoning. The bell peppers are ready, the onions and garlic is ready, scallion, tomatoes are ready, Bok Choy stems and Bok Choy leaves, they're ready. So first I'm going to do the pork. Yes, I'm going to do the pork first and then get the rice. Get the rice also going. Yes, you're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on flame on. Alright, I'm going to get some sea salt on the pork. Yes, that is sea salt. Yes, that's my sea salt. Alright. Now I'm going to get some Maggi. Alright. Get my all-purpose. Garlic. Onion powder. And I'll get my black pepper. Alright. So I'm going to mix it in. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm going to put my olive oil. Alright, that is the pork strips. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. I'm going to put some garlic inside of the oil. Now I'm going to put the pork strips in. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on flame on. Okay. That is for the rice. Alright. This part is for the rice. Get some garlic in there. Pepper paste. Yes, red pepper paste. This is for the rice, okay? You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832. Alright, now I'm going to add some ketchup in there. Some ketchup. Now I'm going to add more water. I'm going to add some Maggi seasoning in here. I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add some onion powder. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube platform. I'm going to allow this to come to a full boil, then I'll put the rice in that's already washed and waiting. Alright, I'm going to put some sea salt. This is the pot for the rice. Alright, I'm going to add some more Maggi because I want this thing to taste real nice. Yes, I want it to taste real nice. Alright, so I'm just waiting for this to come to a full boil, then I'll add the rice into it. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, so this pot will be for the Chinese vegetable and the pork. I'm going to cook them together. So I'm waiting for this to cook. Once this is cooked, then I'll add the Chinese vegetable into the mix. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, so this is pepper paste and garlic, scallion, and ketchup, and olive oil, and assorted seasoning. So this is what this recipe is consists of. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. And over here, I have my pork strips. Close already. So I'm going to start adding some seasoning in here. Add some tomatoes and then some onions. And then after that, I'm going to add the Bok Choy stalks. Alright, I'm going to add tomatoes in. You're welcome. I'm coming back shortly to add my onions. Alright, I'm going to add my onions. Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, this is what it's down to. These are the remaining ingredients for the dish that I'll be completing here today. The pork chop strips with Chinese vegetable and yes, special rice, seasoned jasmine rice. You're watching this on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright. Alright, so now I'm going to add my bok choy stem. Yes, I'm going to put the stem in first before I add the leaves into it. So this is my bok choy stems. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. So this is stir-fried pork with Chinese vegetables. So I'm going to allow the stem of the Chinese vegetable, otherwise known as bok choy, to generate some liquid in here. Then I'm going to add the leaves, yes, to finish it off. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Now I'm going to go to the spot. This is the rice. Alright, I think it's coming along fine. Don't need no more. Just allow it. Yes. So this is the stir-fried Chinese vegetable pork. Stir-fried Chinese vegetable pork. Ah, all right. I just got the title: stir-fried Chinese vegetable pork. All right. So now I'm going to add the leaves, which is a lot. Yes, this is the leaves. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. Oh baby. Alright. Now bell peppers. Yes, not gonna wait too long. I'm gonna add my bell peppers. Yes. And I'm gonna finish it off with my scallion. Ooh, my scallion. My scallion from Leon. That is it. You're watching. I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Yes, that is it. My stir fry Chinese vegetable pork. Butter. Yes, 3 quarters. And I'm going to add a little bit more Maggi season because I want to make sure, yes, make sure that this tastes as wonderful like the chef who's cooking this. Mr. Wonderful GeL. I want to meet him. Yes, I want to meet the chef from Jamaica. His name is Mr. Wonderful GeL. Alright, so I'm going to do a little stir. I am Mr. Wonderful. Yes, Mr. Wonderful. Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Wow. I didn't put any water. All that water is coming from the vegetable. And that the vegetable is cooked. So all that water is released out of the vegetable. Yes, I add no liquid. So this is my stir-fried vegetable pork chops. Pork, stir-fried vegetable pork. And you see this on the I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Yes, this was done by Mr. Wonderful, Chef Mr. Wonderful. He's from Jamaica. I have to meet him. I'm going to try and meet him. Yes, I heard he's staying between the Philippines and Jamaica and India. So I have to go and meet him. The end of the journey here in my cooking lab on the I am Mr. Wonderful Winston GeL Cooking. I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Yes, the Chinese vegetable stir-fried pork is done. And yes, the seasoned rice, it's done. Alright, so I'm going to share. And that is it. That's it. Yes. Alright, so this is it. This is the finale. So this is the Chinese vegetable pork. Chinese vegetable stir-fried pork. Stir-fried Chinese vegetable pork. Stir-fried Chinese vegetable pork. There we go. Stir-fried Chinese vegetable pork. And you're seeing this on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Yes. This dish was done, created by Mr. Wonderful. Yes, Mr. Wonderful. I believe he's from Jamaica. Thanks for viewing. Please like and share. Please enjoy. I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on Mr. Wonderful YouTube channel. Yes, thank you for viewing. Alright, my friends, so we have come to the end of today's journey on the, yes, the this dish was done here today by Mr. Wonderful, the one and only I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. This is my stir-fried Chinese vegetable pork. Yes, stir-fry. You hear it correctly. Stir-fried Chinese vegetable pork. And you're seeing this on Mr. I Am Wonderful Chef 832 on the YouTube platform. Just having some fun. All right, see you on the next